In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to structure your Monday.com board using groups. If you're new to Monday.com or looking to make your workspace more organized, you're in the right place. Monday.com is an incredibly versatile project management tool that lets you arrange your tasks and projects in a way that's easy to manage and understand. One powerful feature in Monday.com is the use of groups, which can help you categorize and streamline your tasks for better readability and organization. Let's dive right in. When you're working on a Monday.com board, you might often find that your items or tasks can feel overwhelming if they're not organized. That's where groups come in handy. You can imagine groups as containers or sections within your board that help break down your tasks into manageable chunks. This way, you can locate, track, and manage your tasks with much more ease. To manually create a group, simply look for the Add New Group button. This is conveniently located just below an existing group on your board. When you click on this button, you'll be prompted to name your new group. Think about what makes the most sense for your project, whether it's different phases of a project, priorities, teams, or however you feel will best organize your workflow. But here's a neat trick. You can also automatically group your items, which can save a lot of time, especially when dealing with a large number of tasks. To do this, you should use the Group By feature. This button is found at the top bar of your board, making it easy to access whenever you need it. When you click on Group By, you'll be given options to automatically group your tasks based on specific columns. For instance, if your board includes a status column, perhaps indicating whether a task is in progress, waiting, or completed, you can choose to group by status. Instantly, your board will reorder itself, grouping tasks according to their current status. This visual sorting can quickly show you which tasks need immediate attention or which are lagging behind. Another way you can amp up your board's organization is by grouping tasks by priority. This is especially useful if your team needs to focus on high-priority tasks first. Just select Priority from the Group By options, and Monday.com will handle the rest, giving you a clear snapshot of what needs to be done right away. And there you have it. Although it's a brief introduction, structuring your Monday.com board using groups is a foundational skill that can greatly enhance the way you manage your projects. Whether you're manually creating groups or utilizing the automatic Group By feature, these tools empower you to tailor your project management experience efficiently. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this helps you streamline your tasks with clarity and ease.